Okay, so standard strip foundation, right? So basically we come in just like it was a block house, okay? Your standard strip is done and we come in and we install the ICF on the external walls only, okay? The reason being why it's only done on the external walls because your external walls is your building envelope. There's no need to put ICF walls internal because they take up a lot of floor space. I have it done on one of these walls in here, but it's actually holding up a main structure of a floating stair, so just to give it a bit of strength, okay? So basically when we come in, we build up 2 blocks high. Okay, if there is a discrepancy in the foundations, we will actually cut the top of the ICF to suit. So that means when we come back, we're building off a level playing field. And it's from our own work as well, you know what I mean? After we build up 2 blocks high, we pour the concrete into it. We go away then, all right? We leave out a 6-inch sleeve, and that's holes that are left out in the footings, the rising walls. Leave them out for the ground worker to run a 4-inch pipe through it for services. After that, when the subfloor is then poured, we will come back then and we'll start building up, and we'll go from our ground floor up to our first floor. We're talking about a 2-story house here. Yeah. Go from ground floor up to our first floor. We'll find the height that we're leaving the ICF for the precast, the hollow core, and we'll stop at that. We'll form up all our windows, we'll build all the ICF all around, then we'll start bracing off everything. All right, we'll line all the walls pre-pour.
And sorry to interrupt you, what sort of time frame is this we're talking about now? Like how long is this taking?
About a week.
Okay.
I try to average in pour every week, pour every week, pour every week. You know what I mean? Sometimes it works grand, there's perfect, no pressure. Sometimes there is pressure, it takes a bit longer evenings, but it has to be done. Yeah. Pour every week because it gets everything to fit right. If you miss a week or miss even a day, it affects things up for the next week, you know what I mean? And then it keeps pushing things out, and then it's pushing customers out, and you're trying your best to keep everything forward. So then we pour the first floor. That's everything poured, pump comes in, concrete's in, we pour, walk away from it, it's all set, it's all lined as well.